everyone, hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you that if you are having a fear, if you are feeling so hesitate in front of the person who from whom you to talk, okay, if you are feeling so much hesitation on that time, the words are not coming in your mind. So what are the things, what are the steps you take for that time? Okay, if you become a very good if you become a English speaker, so you learn all the rules and regulation of like we can say in English language. So this is not a perfect thing, this is not a honesty. Okay, I'm also a learner. Even I learn in this I'm also a beginner, I'm not a advanced one. Okay, so if you are a beginner, okay, so there is no need to learn all the rules and regulation of grammar. Okay, yeah, tenses are important, but tenses and modals, in my point of view, only tenses are important, and would, can, okay, could, modals, and yeah, these two things are important. And after that, if you are a beginner, so these two things are only important. And and yeah, this is not a thing that I said that these things are important, so you just mug all the rules of future tense, okay, present tense. This is not a thing, you just go through only. Okay, and you just see the examples. The people are doing this, they mug all the rules and regulation, and after 1 to 2 weeks, even they are not remember that thing. Okay, so yeah, if you are a beginner, then just speak only. Okay, speaking and listening, these two things are very much important if you are a beginner. So yeah, speaking and listening is very much important. Even I am also a beginner, and I do this thing, I speak and I listen. Okay, and yeah, one thing is more important, that the people do this thing too much wrong, that they are take, when they listen anything, so they randomly they start a random topic. No, if you follow a YouTuber, any YouTuber, if you follow, if you think any speech, so go on that speech only. Okay, if you follow any YouTuber, so go with that only, right? So this is the thing, please select one thing only, and yeah, follow that thing only, right? So this is a right way, that I also do that like this only. So yeah, and don't use fancy words. Okay, if you are using fancy words, on that time you feel so hesitate, so passive, so hesitation you are having on that time, and the thing is, you are not able to speak on that time. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update, and tell me in the comment section that you like this video or not.